Next, we will demonstrate threaded backstitch. It is similar to whipped backstitch in technique, but it has an additional step of threading. It will make the embroidered lines more decorative. It is suitable for some edge or lace embroidery decorations. Let's demonstrate it. First, use 6 strands of floss. Color number 5 for the embroidery. The first step is the same as before. Start by stitching a layer of backstitch as the base. Bring the needle through at the end of this horizontal line. Bring the needle down at the front. Bring the needle through again at the front. Bring the needle down back. Repeat this step. Use backstitch to embroider this line. Bring the needle down at the end for the last stitch. Then, use 6 strands of floss, color number 7 for the second step. Bring the needle through at the right end of the line. Then bring the needle down to pass through the floss. When whipping the floss, do not insert the needle into the fabric. Wrap it around the original stitches. Do not pull the floss tight. Leave a little floss on the fabric. Then we bring the needle through again. When threading the floss, try to keep the position and length of each stitch consistent. This looks more aesthetically pleasing. You can use your fingers to press down on the loop to prevent it from moving. Complete the remaining lines according to the previous steps. Bring the needle down at this position for the last stitch. Use the needle to adjust the lines. The threaded backstitch is complete. Let's take a look at the finished embroidery.